everybody, how are you all today? So yeah, if you are new here, then my name is Miss Bean Pinky, and yeah, literally I have been planning to change some things around here on my channel. So I will create a playlist here on my channel related to hair coloring. So it's been 4 to 5 weeks. I haven't used any heating products on my hair, like no hair straightener, no blow dry, nothing, like literally nothing. So I have been treating my hair really well these 5 weeks. That's my mom calling. Gosh, she won't stop. So yeah, I'm gonna be talking to her later, because when I'll start talking, it will be like 1-2 hours we will be talking. So yeah, so I'm going to just color my hair today. I just totally forgot about what I was talking about. Okay, right, I have been using lots of treatments, lots of oils. Like in this quarantine, it was literally so easy for me. I was using this oil, literally it's so good, and it's just the coconut and apricot oil, hair and body oil. So this is hair and body oil, so I was using on my hair. I often use this on my hands too and legs too. So like I have got lots in my storage. So yeah, this oil is literally very good, and I got this from Kmart. So after washing my hair, I towel dry my hair, then I apply this schwarzkoph leave-in hair treatment. So this is extra care, and this is literally very good. So this is the way I have been treating my hair, and like literally my hair is now very soft. And every product's name I will leave it below in the description box. So I don't color my hair more often. Like I usually color in between 3 to 6 months. So yeah, it depends on what mood I am in. Like sometimes I want lighter hair, sometimes I like darker hair. So it's fall season now, so I thought of keeping my hair as dark as possible. So like I'm a fan of dark hair. Doesn't matter how much lighter I go, I end up disliking my hair. So I prefer dark hair. So yeah, today I'm going to color my hair, and literally I know you guys must have tried this hair color. So I saw this in Kohl's, so I got this. This is a permanent hair color, and this is by Garnier. Today I'm using this dark brown in number 4.0. So this is the color I'm using today. And I got 2 pack of this. And also I'm wearing this old t-shirt, old top, so that I can throw it away later. So yeah, let's see what this color contains. So it says here, the Garnier Olia, the power of oil, maximum color performance, visibly better hair quality. So it says here it's 3 times more shine. So everything is written in here, and like let's see, first thing is the instruction, and then is the developer bottle where we have to mix all the color, and then this is the developer cream, and I think this is after color care. Okay, this is the conditioner, I think, after color care. Literally I haven't used Garnier's product So that's why I'm literally confused. But this is after color care. And also one more thing is here, this is colorant cream. So this is the color. Okay, now I got it. So this is the color and this is the developer cream. So we are going to mix both of these in this bottle so that it's easy to apply. And also after washing, you just use this one after color care. It's just a conditioner kind of thingy, and also it comes with a perfect glove. This is a nice glove. So before coloring, I'm going to just leave this to dry for a while, because you can see the color down, like halfway is dark and bottom it's literally light. So yeah, I'm going to do all like one color, one dark color, and literally I'm very excited. You have to apply on dry hair, like you don't have to wash your hair, because my hair was literally oily. That's why I washed it. Okay guys, so I'm back. My hair is literally dry. I'm just drinking some coffee. So yeah, this is the hair color. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys like how it is now. So I literally love the lighting. So I'm not wearing any makeup today, as you can see. Just a tinted lip balm. So yeah, uh, my girls at home, they are cleaning up to their room and they are just playing. Okay, so this is how the color is. It's all washed out. So this is my natural curly hair. Literally, I cut my hair at home. So this is how it is. Now, so let's begin. First, let's begin. Oh my God, let's put the developer into the bottle. By the way, it was on sale when I bought. It was only $10 each for this packet. And there were only 2 left, so I bought both of it. Okay. Now I know I always make mistake. I have to take this thing out. Then, so that the point is open. Okay, now it's open. So this is how it looks. Okay, you can see the developer up to here and the color up to here. I'm going to leave this for 1 hour, 1 or 2 hours. Then I'm going to wash it off. Then I'm going to style and then show you guys how this looks. And this is the outcome. This is how the hair color looks after washing and styling. So yeah, this is the outcome, and literally I love the way it turned out, and like the color literally suits me so well. I'm in love with this hair color, and it gives that brown, dark brown or reddish brown kind of reflection, I will say, when you go out in the sun. Like it literally goes well with the lighting, and like depends on which lighting you are in at that time. Like I have on my light and you can see the color looks literally pretty, and I love it. And yeah, I hope I don't like too much light, but like this is how it looks in natural lighting. And like I'm just telling you guys about this reflection. Like it's not when you are inside, and when you're out like in the sun or in the lights, it will give this lighting, and which is so pretty. I think here you can see how it looks. Like literally it's so pretty. And if you guys want me to try more of the colors to my hair, I'm going to try more here on my channel. So once this is washed out, like after 3 months, I think it will fade, but like I don't think so. This is a permanent color, but like if it fades, I will try some other colors. But I'm only applying browns to my hair. I don't want to apply red color. So if you guys want to see more of hair coloring video, it's a playlist on my channel you can watch, where I have tried different colors to my hair. And like literally you guys are loving my hair coloring video, that's why I'm applying and making these kinds of videos. So yeah, if you guys want to see more, then please subscribe, follow me around on all social media sites. Links are below in the description box, and I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.